Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be creating a mani using dip powders from Bling Galleria. Now the first color here, it's called Sweeter with Time, and it's a beautiful foil dip. It has a milky white base to it, and then it has these beautiful purple and silver foils in it, and I really like how that silver foil really makes that purple pop in this dip, and I love the milky base. And then the next color here is called Dust on a Bottle, and this is a gorgeous shimmery purple. Now the shimmer is really pretty, and it's more of a grayish purple. So it's a cooler undertone and it's super pretty, and check it out with that beautiful foil. It is the perfect combination. So we are going to be creating press-ons today and doing the gel method. So let's dive into this mani process and then I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think that foil is simply beautiful. It has like a marble quartz rock effect to it, and it pairs perfectly with dust on a bottle. I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next upload.